Hey champs, ever wondered how to know when your scheduled posts are finally out there in the social media world? Well, you're in the right place because today, we've got you covered with a quick guide. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and log into your Social Champ account. Once you're in, you'll see two easy options to check your scheduled posts. Option 1, head over to the left corner and click on Queue. Then choose a Sent from the Post Type drop-down menu. You'll now see all your scheduled posts that have been successfully posted. Easy, right? But wait, there's more. Let's explore Option 2. If you prefer a different route, you can always check the status of your scheduled posts by navigating to the calendar, also found in the left corner. From there, select Sent from the Post Status drop-down menu. And now, here comes the magic. Select Scheduled Posts from the Post Type drop-down. You'll have a view of all your scheduled posts right here on the calendar. Plus, you can see them on their respective social media platforms. And guess what? You can even choose to repost the same post in the future, just in case. And that's a wrap, champs. Checking your scheduled posts is as easy as pie with Social Champ. Thanks for tuning in.